Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Prashant Shatra. Once again I'm coming back to you for another important class, that is binary tree. I already have uploaded lot of classes and today another topic is binary tree, and it is one of the most important chapter for ISC examinations. You can see in the section C the lot of questions means from this part you may get three marks questions. Okay, so this is the basic thing we have to understand today. So before going to start my class, this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. So let us start our class. You see that I already have made the structure and I'll explain the structure properly one by one, then you will understand. So before understanding this whole structure, you see that in the data structure, just I am revising. You already have learned everything, but once again I want to revise all these things for the examination purpose, that is for ISC student 2026. So let us see properly. This is the structure I have given. Now we have to understand what is this binary structure. I want to tell you that binary data structure is what this is called. Actually binary tree is what actually it is called data you are keeping in the form of node, okay, in the computer memory. Now see, this binary data structure is called the non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure. You see that these are the structures given. It's a binary tree. Why? Because the binary tree, maximum one node can contain maximum two other nodes, subnodes. So let us see, if you want to understand this, lot of things to these are the important terms we have to understand related to binary tree. You see that a binary tree, this first one, what is this called? This is called root node. What is this called? Root node. This is called root. The very first node is called the root node. Again, whenever you are coming here, suppose that time it will become a root node. So if you are coming here, that time it will become a node, root node. So in this way, the very first node is the root node. Again, whenever you are going down, that time it is the root node also is changing for the child node. Okay, now see what are the important terms for this binary tree. You see that which are called external nodes. External nodes means whenever you don't have any other child node, that is called external nodes. Which are the external nodes? You see that no other child node is there. So this is a root node, it has a child node, this and this. This is another root because it has a child node. It is parent node, this is child node. So this, whenever B's subnode is this, that means it is becoming parent node and it is child node. Okay, this D and E, these are child node. Now see, the external nodes, we want to understand what are external nodes. D, H, which has no other branch. D has no other branch. E, H has no other branch. I has no other branch. F. So what we will write? We will write D, H, D, H, I, F, W. These are what? External nodes. Let us see internal nodes. Which are internal nodes? Internal nodes, very very important, except root and except external nodes. The other nodes are called internal nodes. These are external nodes. So internal nodes will be B, internal nodes B, then E. BC also, we can write BC, B and C, then E, then G. These four are internal nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4 internal nodes. So external nodes, internal nodes over. Size. What are the total number of nodes are here? Size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of nodes equal to 10. Total number of nodes equal to 10. Now siblings. Siblings is what? that you can understand the normal English, that what is siblings. You can see the B is the parent node, the child node is DE. So the first sibling pair D and E, D and E. Then second sibling, the first, before that, B and C. I should write first B and C, B and C, because B and C, these two are children of A. So BC first sibling, second sibling DE, then D and E, then another sibling FG, then another sibling, what is another sibling? HI. So how many siblings we got it? BC, DE, FG I have written, yes, and HI. These are called siblings. Now degree of tree means, suppose this is degree of B. What is the degree of B? Number of child nodes, means number of child node is there. How many nodes? That is, how many successor? 2 successor. For B it is 2 successor. For B, how many? Degree of tree for B is DE. For B is DE, that is 2, means it is B and E. How many children are there? 2, B and E. So for B is 2, degree equal to 2. And for G, how many? G is only 1. For G, how many? For G is 1. What is that? W. That is W. Okay. Now this is over level number. Generally we mark this tree structure using a number, the level. The first level we give the level number, the first one, the level number we give as, this is level number, LEVEL, level number equal to 0. This is we write as 0. Then this is level 1, level equal to 1. This is level equal to 2. This is level equal to 3. So level is marking from 1. Level is marking from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So the total number of levels 4. So you see that it is marking the root 1 is all the time it will be represented as 0. Okay, so that is gone. Now the height or depth. Height total, what is the height? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the height? Height is 4 here. What is the height? Height or depth equal to 4. So level, what I should write? The level number, it is starting from 0 and going up to 3 in this binary tree. The last one is 3, the first one is 0. Okay, the height or depth, total number, what is the height? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I check what is the height of D, it will be 1, 2, 3. What is the height of H? That is 4. So height or depth, the total tree structure's height here, as per the figure number, this figure, it is 4. Height is 4. So from the root, its height is 4. From the root, its height is 4. Traversing, these are the important terms I am explaining today. So traversing means we will reach, we will touch each and every node from starting to end. Okay, so that is called traversing. And forest, what is the meaning of forest? Forest means this is the left subtree, this is the right subtree. If you remove this one, this will become a forest. That is, the word forest is explained in that way. So whenever the branches, this subtree, left subtree and right subtree, it disconnected, means if you remove this root one, so this will become a forest. This will become a forest. So these are the main important terms we have to understand in this way. So first, that after doing this one, after knowing all these things, we will understand one by one the problem. From this part, generally we get this type of questions, and as well as we will get the question like in order, pre-order and post order. So that is important also. One by one we have to do the questions. So up to this much is for this binary tree. Again, I may give you one more question, one more class for binary tree on problem related. So today up to this much. If you're liking my class, please subscribe it, please give a like. Okay, thank you very much. Bye all of you.